Hello, my name is Mike. I'm the owner of BestRugPrices.com, and today I'm doing a little video to talk about how much does SmartStrand Carpet cost. Now, before I get into that, I did want to tell you a little bit about our site. Let me get to the top of the page here, but our company is BestRugPrices.com, and what you're looking at is the front page of our floor and decor blog, and what, as you could probably imagine, we write about floor covering. Our most recent post is all about SmartStrand Carpet, and I would encourage you to check it out. It's a wonderful article that talks about how to clean SmartStrand Carpet, the information in the product's warranty that a lot of stores won't tell you about, how much it costs, just all kind of great information that will help you in your purchasing decision. And it's a bestrugprices.com, and below this video in the description box I'll put the link to our article, and certainly would love for you to check it out and leave a comment or two and let us know what you think. So I'm going to switch screens here, and I'm going to go over to the Mohawk website. Mohawk is one of the major manufacturers of flooring in the country, and they make what's called SmartStrand Carpet. And SmartStrand comes in different product lines. They have the Strand Silk, and then they have the Silk Reserve, Color Max, and so on. And a lot of times in the stores when you see the product samples, those are the upper end samples that stores display on their showroom floor. And SmartStrand could be on the upper end of the carpets compared to some of the competitors. But I think what kind of gets past a lot of people and is not told by the stores is that SmartStrand comes in a lot of different carpet types. There's really thick carpets, and then there's apartment grade carpets. There's a lot of SmartStrand carpets that are priced all over the place. So it's very difficult to say how much the SmartStrand carpet costs, because you can get some very expensive carpet and you can get some very inexpensive carpet. And as I'm going to go back to our blog article, in this article, SmartStrand Carpet, it also talks about cost and some of the kind of the hidden products that Mohawk has that are very, very affordable. So, if you have a rental house, or if you have an apartment complex and you're looking for a durable carpet that maybe you're not going to have to change over every time somebody moves in and out, but you don't want to break the bank, Mohawk SmartStrand has some carpets that are like that. And, sometimes the stores won't tell you about them, but they exist, and our article talks about that. So again, we're at bestrugprices.com, and I'm going to put the link to our article in the description box of this video, and we'd love for you to come and visit our page, check it out, and it has some really useful information in the article that you're going to want to read before you purchase any sort of SmartStrand carpet. Thank you.